Hello and welcome friends to Cloud Learners. In this video, we will be going to see how we can allow incoming ports on AWS security group. For this, we'll create an instance first to show you how we can add up ports for incoming access. So we'll create a T2 micro-sized instance. We'll take up Ubuntu server image. Okay. T2 micro, fine. We'll keep the rest of the settings as is. Volume size as is. Let's put in some name to identify this instance. Let's put it as demo instance. Okay. Now let's configure security group. So we'll create a new security group in the name of demo SG01. And intentionally will not add other ports than SH. We'll keep SH as is for now. Click on launch. We already have one key pair that we'll be using for this demonstration. Let's click on launch instance. Okay, it is saying security group name already exists. Let's put in some different name to the security group. Let's wait for this instance to get launched. So as we can see, instance started running in. Now let's try to SH into this instance and install some web server. Here's the IP address. Uh, uh, okay, we'll SH into this instance through the putty software. So here it is, our key pair, demo key pair. Click on open. Say yes to this warning. Okay, we have chosen Ubuntu image, so we need to log in with the username as Ubuntu. So let's update the packages on the system. Okay, now we'll install Apache web server. Okay, as you can see, it is installed. Let's start the web server. So the service is started now. Let's check through top command. Okay, as you can see, Apache 2 process started running in. So let's try and access this IP on the browser now. So as we can see, nothing is coming up. The page keeps on loading. Ideally, the default behavior should be the Apache default page should open up. So this is not opening up because we haven't allowed port 80 for the incoming traffic. Let's try and allow that port and then see. So let's again move to the instance and go to the security group where what was the name of our security group? I guess demo SG2. Okay, let's move to security group. So here it is our security group demo SG2. Now let's click on inbound rules, edit inbound rules. As you can see, we have allowed only SH for the incoming access. Now we'll allow HTTP as well and then C anywhere. That means allow from everywhere. 0.0.0/0. Okay, we are good to go now. Okay, now we have allowed port 80 in the security group. Let's try and reload this page. Okay, here it is. We can see now the default page of Ubuntu. So this is how you can allow incoming access on port 80. And in the similar way, let's say if you want to install SL, if you have installed SL certificate, you need to allow port 443 as well. You can again go into the inbound rule, click on inbound rules, add up HTTPS here from everywhere and just save it. And finally, you will be able to access your site on HTTPS as well. If you want to allow any other port for incoming access, so you can do it in similar manner. Thank you. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.